Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namaste. In today's video, we shall be learning to chant the 11th shloka of the Hayagriva Stotram and understand its meaning. First, let us learn it word by word. Yanmoolam idrik pratibhati tattvam yamoolam amnaya mahatrumanam tatvena jananti vishuddhasattvaha tvam aksharam aksharamatrakam tvam yanmoolamidrik pratibhati tattvam yanmoolamidrik pratibhati tattvam yamoolamamnaya mahatrumanam yamoolamamnaya mahatrumanam tatvena jananti vishuddhasattvaha tatvena jananti vishuddhasattvaha tvamaksharam aksharamatrakam tvamaksharam aksharamatrakam tvam yanmoolamidrik pratibhati tattvam yamoolamamnaya mahatrumanam tatvena jananti vishuddhasattvaha tvamaksharam aksharamatrakam tvam. Now let us see the meaning of this verse. Yanmoola tattvam idrik pratibhati. Yanmoola means that which is at the root of. Tattvam, the building blocks of creation known as the tattvas. These tattvas have been expounded by the Sankhya philosophy and they are 25 in number. Idrik pratibhati. This entire creation which is seen, perceived and experienced by us appears to be in existence. At the root of this creation are its building blocks, namely the tattvas. What is at the root of that? Yamoolam mahatrumanam amnaya asti. At the root of these building blocks or the tattvas are the amnaya. Amnaya means the expansive Vedas. Vishuddhasattvaha, those with a pure, untainted sattvic nature. Tvam aksharam aksharamatrakam tvam iti tatvena jananti. Tvam aksharam aksharamatrakam tvam, which means you are the indestructible one, akshara. Akshara-matrika, the origin of all the sounds which form the basis of creation. So those with a sattvic nature understand that you are the indestructible one and the source of all creation, being the origin of sound. How do they know this? Tatvena jananti. By a careful analysis of the tattvas, they understand you in reality to be thus. Therefore, Lord Hayagriva is revered as the Akshara Pranava Swarupa, who creates all of this manifested universe through sacred sound. To know more about what these tattvas or building blocks are, as per the Sankhya Darshana, which has been accepted largely by modern Vedanta, including Vishishtadvaita, please stay tuned for the upcoming Vidyamritam video on what are the 25 tattvas as per Sankhya philosophy. Let us perceive Swami Hayagriva as the building block of creation and the origin of sound present in every element of the universe that we see and perceive. With this knowledge, we experience His all-pervasiveness. Shri Hayagrivam Upasmahe.